Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This is going to be a template preview video, and that is for these Twizzlers. This is what the template looks like. I just went on ahead and did the same thing, the Aladdin theme. I didn't really put nothing on the back, but of course, you know, you're free to do that. The video with the measurements for this will be on my Patreon page. This is the Twizzlers that was $1 at Walmart. I'm not sure if you can find these at Dollar Tree as well, but y'all, I don't know why I haven't done Twizzlers before. Like it's my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh, shoot, just so you guys can see the size. It's the king size, 5 ounces. Like I said, the measurements are going to be over on my Patreon page. The link will also be in the description box. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!